Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use subtraction, multiplication, division with Python, how to use all those operators in Python. Alright, remember in the last video we talked about how to use variable for arithmetic operation. Now we're going to be using that for subtraction, division and multiplication, but for now let's just still use two variables. All right, this is going to be a very short video just to continue the previous video. All right, let's take for example that our first number is 550 and our second number is 450. Now please if you still don't understand what I'm doing, you would need to first check the previous video. The link is above me right there on the top right corner. You can always check the previous video before you continue with this. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment in the comment section, and then I promise to give you great stuff. Okay, let's continue. Now let's take for example we want to subtract this number. Now it's easy. All you need to just do is to change the operator. That's all. It's the same concept but different operator. So all you need to do is just to subtract. That's all. Save your work, run it, and you're going to have 100. It's just so simple. Now to do multiplication also, you can always let's create another variable that will store different operations. All right, let's say for example we want to use total for sum, and then I want to declare another variable called what? Subtract for minus. So what? First num minus second num. You see that? And then I want to use what? Divide for the third one, which is what? First num. Divide sign is like this. Is the / sign, okay, in Python. And then the second num, and then the third one is what? Multiply. Now this will do the work. This will do justice. You use this star symbol for multiply, and then you say what? Second num. Now this would actually calculate addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. Now let's check our code. Let's check our code now. When you run your code, there's a mistake. It says what? Name first is not defined. Let's check. Let's debug that code. I only wrote first. I didn't put first number. Remember, I said this in the last video that let us be sure that whatever we're using here is declared. Okay. All right. Now I've changed it to first num. Now let's save our work and now run now. Let's see the output. Now we have 1000 just for the first one. Now why do you think we didn't get the output for subtract, divide and multiply? You can pause this video and answer that question, and when you get back I would see if you actually got that. All right, welcome back. If you say that we did not print out the values, you're correct. That's actually the reason why we didn't see our output. So you have to print out our value. So divide, print out the value, divide and multiply. Now this would actually output our values for subtract, divide and multiply. Remember the function of this print. It is to output any value that is written in between the brackets. It could be string, it could be variable, it could be anything. All right, so let's save our work and then run now. So can you see now we have 100, 1100, 1.223, and then 247,500. So this is how to use arithmetic operators in Python. All right. So in the next video, but before I go, let's actually run our code in python-tutor.com and see what we have right there. So let's go back to the code and let's print out all of them. So now let's see what happens in the back end. Visualize. Now the first one says what? Obviously, the first number is created, the second number is created, total is created, and then the value has been added to each other right there. Next again, can you see that also? Subtract is created, divide is also created, multiply is also created, but they have not been outputted on the screen. So now how do you do that? Just click on, you see that? That's output. Second, third, and fourth. So that is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I would like you to challenge yourself, okay? Or maybe probably I should give you a question for you to work on. Create 5 variables and then perform all this operation on the 5 variables. Let's see what you come out with, okay? Don't forget, we're taking baby steps in learning all these Python concepts. Don't worry, I will take you from the amateur level to the advanced level, but just follow along with me. All right? Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment if you have any questions. And I'll see you in the next video. Stay blessed.